back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here today because I'm doing a fabulous collaboration with the beautiful Christina over at the DIY Mummy. Now guys, this collaboration entitled a DIY or organisation project to start off the year. So I'm really excited to be a part of this one. I so needed organisation. It's crazy how much I needed organisation in my life. I decided to concentrate on my laundry room and my linen cupboard because frankly guys, I'm that girl that my house seems to look beautiful most of the time, but you open a drawer, you open a cupboard and everything falls out. So I need to do this challenge so badly. So I'm going to take you along with me. I just wanted to say a big thank you to Christina over at the DIY Mummy. I'll leave a link to her channel down below and you'll see a list of other YouTubers like myself who have took on the DIY and organisation challenge. So I hope you enjoy this video guys. I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. And until next time my friends, thanks so much for watching. Okay guys, bye guys. So we're entering my laundry room. It's a complete disaster right now. It's one of those rooms that just never ever, I just can't seem to stay on top of it. I can't seem to get organised. And the thing that I'm going to tackle today on this challenge is this nightmare. Pillow addiction, hoarder, buried alive. So yes, I needed to be on this challenge. This has motivated me to do something about this. But I do love those gold polka dots. Just kidding. Now, oh, there's movement. There's movement in the linen closet. But anyway, time to get organised, time to throw out, purge, donate, find what I'm keeping, find what I really need in my life to get this into some sort of organisation. Okay, so I've managed to take everything out. The best part about organisation is starting with a clean slate. So everything's out. Now to sort, pile, donate, and put only what fits in here. So as a storage solution guys, I picked up about a year ago this magic slide holder and I'm going to have hubby install it for me so I can be more organised with my mops and brooms and so forth. So guys, for organisation, we decided to put 2 shelves on the main wall in our laundry and I had hubby install them for me and I absolutely love how they came. Another great storage solution I found was these beautiful glass jars that I picked up from the reject shop, and using my laundry powder I filled them each so they give a beautiful decorative effect as well as functional, and I don't like to have cardboard boxes in my laundry, so I thought this was an efficient way of fixing that problem. I also took my pineapple water dispenser and I filled that also with fabric softener. And here is my new laundry room guys. I'm so happy with how this came. I styled it with some decorative pieces but also made it very functional. There's nothing more exciting guys than feeling organised in your life, and I can't tell you how happy I am when I walk in this room. It feels like a different room altogether. It functions so much better. I know where everything is, and most of all I'm proud of how I put it together along with my hubby's help. And then of course is the grand finale of them all. I can finally access my linen cupboard. Yes guys, I still have a lot of throw pillows, but my husband came up with a great idea where he told me just to take out the inserts and keep the covers, and I was able to create a lot of space by doing this. Here on the left hand side is my fur throws, right to the roof, followed by all my decorative fur cushions. And then on the left hand side you'll see that my husband installed that wonderful organisation for my broom and mop. Unfortunately guys, I didn't film a clip of what I actually donated, but just about everything that I took out of here went straight to St Vincent de Paul. As you know, I love the beachy theme, and I added this decorative canvas from my local reject shop. It was just $5. Majority of my home decor here on the shelves is from TK Maxx, but the pink clock is a new purchase from Target Australia. I get a lot of questions guys about this rug. I picked this up from Spotlight Australia when they had 50% off all rugs. It was just $20. It's really good quality and would go so well with a bohemian or beachy theme. I then added this decorative wreath that I picked up from the Red Dollar store last Christmas. So that's it guys, and welcome to my new laundry. I'm so happy with how this room came. If you'd like to see more organisation or DIY videos, please pop over to Christina from the DIY Mummy, where she'll have a playlist of other YouTubers who have done this challenge. I want to thank you all for watching guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe because we're so close to 10,000 subscribers guys, and I can't wait to announce my giveaway. So until next time my friends, thanks for watching.